Mike Hughes here. I'm at Plangea Inc., which is the Tuga is the brand, and I'm going to look at basically it's sun protection swimwear, custom swimwear. Okay, and we have several different things about sun protection here. I'll mention the big art. They're having a meeting on the side, so I won't go there. But you can see some of the coral reef colors on that. Now, is that just colored?
It's all customized dye sublimation.
Okay, customized dye sublimation.
Yes,
that was easy enough.
Yes,
I couldn't remember that. Okay.
These are our scuba. These are our snorkel shirts with the fish identification on down the sleeve.
That's it. So if you can't remember what you saw, it's pretty much written on your sleeve.
Right, and helps kids learn, a little more educational. This is our eco-friendly line. It's recycled from fishing lines down from the bottom of the sea. It comes in all these fun colors, all customizable. We have a snorkel suit that's got the little buttonhole with the matching jammer pants.
Oh yeah, so you can button them on and
everything stays put.
Then it's a onesie.
Yeah, without having to commit to a onesie. It's the non-committal people, and we do the onesies. We got no problem with the.
You do have those too.
Got the hoods.
Oh, perfect.
Yep, we've come out with a nice 1.5 milliliter neoprene tops. And they've got the neoprene bottoms too. That help a lot. And then there's snorkel pants that are somewhere else, but I can't find those right now.
Okay, and then these are our.
Those are dive socks, and then of course we make dog UV shirts too.
Well,
everybody's got a dog on the boat.
Dog. Okay.
And
now do these socks have to match?
No, they do.
Okay, so you can't have one.
Anything you want. We're all customizable.
Okay.
We make a lot of rash guards for dive trips and giveaway gifts.
Okay.
For branding.
So if they want more information about these products, would they go to tuga.com?
Perfect.
Okay. And thank you for not mentioning yourself in the video, but being there.